Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to play Chasing Cars by Snow Patrol. It's an easy song and I'm sure you have a lot of fun playing it. So let's begin. Starting off with our index finger, we're going to be placing it down on the 7th fret of the 4th string, counting upward. And then you're going to be using your ring finger to place it down on the 9th fret of the 3rd string, counting upward. And it should sound like this. Now, either by using a pick or using both your index and your thumb, you're able to play the melody. Simply alternate between the 4th and the 3rd string. Next, what you're going to be doing is you're going to grab your index and you're actually going to move it 1 fret down. So now it should be laying down on the 6th fret of the 4th string as well. And you're just going to continue alternating between strings. And now let's see how that sounds. As you can hear, the song is already coming together. The next chord you're going to want to play is with an open string. So in other words, just to remove your index and simply keep your ring finger down on the 9th fret of the 3rd string. Should sound like this. And now when you're ready, bring down your index back onto the 7th fret of the 4th string. I'm going to give you an example as to how it should sound like. Now you have the option to play that throughout the whole song and just follow the pattern. Otherwise, here are maybe some useful chords you might be able to use. Use your index, your middle, and your ring finger. And we're going to be placing it down. First one with the ring finger on the 2nd string of the 2nd fret. Then your middle finger, place it down on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. And then your index, go right ahead and place it down on the 2nd fret of the 4th string. And that should sound like this. Play all the strings open and a single strum. The next chord we're going to be playing looks a little something like this. Grab your middle finger, place it down on the 2nd fret of the 5th string. Then with your ring finger, place it down on the 2nd fret of the 4th string. And with your index, place it down on the 1st fret of the 3rd string. And play all the strings together. And the last chord is a D. Use your index finger to place it down on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, your ring finger down on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, and your middle finger down on the 2nd fret of the very 1st string. And now play from the 4th down. And now you can either strum up or down, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to be using the down method. We're just going to continue strumming down and follow this pattern. Notice how I put emphasis on one of the notes just in case so I could have personal timing and see where I'm at. And now let me show you how it should sound. Take it nice and easy. If this is one of your first songs, you might get a little bit of calluses on your finger, but that's always good. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with a friend. If you like easy songs that you can play along with, consider subscribing down below. And until next time, my friends, later.